What's up everyone, my name is Harrison, the founder of CarBud, and this is a little intro about me. I'm from Charleston, South Carolina originally. I've been in Austin, Texas for about a year and coming up on a year and a half. So I graduated college in 22 and moved to Austin, Texas to pursue a career in tech sales, which I always knew from the get-go I wasn't going to make it into a career. I really just took the job to get the sales skills. I think the bigger picture is I just wanted to follow a dream of mine, which was starting your own business, trying to get it to a point where you can have it be self-sustaining. And I think that was the main aspect, because for the longest time you were just doing things for other people. I knew I wanted to start my own business from the get-go. That was always the plan. And as I figured out where I was going to fit into that picture, I actually developed my own piece of software to connect mechanics with those that I was working with who needed help with their cars and needed like an instant response rather than waiting for like AAA that would take between 30 minutes to an hour. The app kind of fell apart. Well, one, I'm not a developer. And then two, I found Field,